Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So, to get started, you will first want to turn off your device by holding the power button. When you do, ignore whatever assistant you will see right here. Just keep on holding till you get the boot menu. From here, select power off twice. And even though the screen turns black and you have a vibration, give it solid like 5 to 10 seconds after the screen turns off, as if you hold the buttons that we all need to hold a little bit too early, nothing will happen. So after like 5 to 10 seconds, you can then hold these two buttons, power and the volume up. You will feel a vibration, and afterwards you will see HUAWEI logo, at which point you want to let go of the power button. There we go. Now, if nothing is happening for like 10 seconds when you're holding these buttons, let go of them and then start holding them again. And this should solve your problem. Now, in here, we're going to select clear data. And then you want to select wipe cache partition. As you can see, this is pretty quick. So once it's finished, we're going to select back and then restart. And this will bring us back to, to Android or whatever. We have the OS right here. And as you can see, we're now back in our OS. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.